पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्य केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अस्तमित आदित्ये याज्ञवल्क्य चंद्रमसी अस्तमिते शांति अग्नौ तीन ज्योतिरेवायम पुरुष। जनक महाराज asked the question, वाग एवस्य ज्योतिर्भवति। याज्ञवल्क्य जी gave the answer. How it helps in the pitch dark room? Through speech, a person can be guided. Speech here means shabda. See in Bhashya 986. अथ तस्मिन् काले सर्वचेष्टा निरोधे प्राप्ते बाह्य ज्योतिषो अभावात् यत्र वाग उच्चरति श्वा वा भक्षति गर्दभो वा रौति उपैव तत्र न्येति। अथ तस्मिन् काले, तस्मिन् काले, तस्मिन् काले means where it is pitch dark, when one cannot see one's own hand also. That was what said. स्वपाणिर्हस्तो अपि न विनिर्ज्ञायते. At that time, sarva cheshta nirodhe prapti. Other activities you cannot do because it is so dark you cannot even walk. Out of the fear of falling somewhere or hitting something. Nirodhe prapte bahya jyotisho abhavat. Bahya jyoti is not there. Yatra vag ucharati. But there where the speech functions, shvava bhashati. Bhasha bharsane dhatu is there. Shwa, shwaha. Shwan means dog. Swabhashati. Gardabho va rauti. Or the donkeys, they cry. Upaiva tatra nyeti. Tatra eva upanyeti. Upanyeti gachati. Means he reaches there, where the shabda is. Tena shabdena jyotisha shrotra manasoho nairantaryam bhavati. Tena jyotish karyavatvam vak pratipadyate. Jyotish karyavatvam. If in your book, Jyotish karyatvam is given, then make it Jyotish karyavatvam. 4 and 5 number टिप्पणी. Yes. ज्योतिषा सह श्रोत्रमनसो नैरंतर्यम सन्निकर्ष. So when the shabda is there, the mind goes, mind will have viveka out of whatever. If it is a meaningful speech also there is viveka. If it is some sound like of the dog barking or something, then you know not to go there or it means something, etc. Like if you have a dog in your own house and somebody trying to enter in during the darkness and if he barks, then you become alert like that. Tena jyotish karyavatvam vak pratipadyate. In this way, vak attains jyotish karyavatvam, means it becomes a jyoti. It deserves to be a jyoti doing the karya of jyoti. Jyotish karyavatvam is there in vak. ज्योतिष कार्यवत्वम मीन्स तज्जन्य व्यवहार रूप कार्यवत्वम. ज्योतिष कार्यवत्वम वाक विल हैव तज्जन्य ज्योतिजन्य 12 नंबर ज्योतिजन्य व्यवहार रूप कार्यवत्व इज देयर इन वाक. तेन वाचा ज्योतिषा उपन्येति एव उपगच्छत्येव तत्र सन्निहितो भवति इत्यर्थः. He becomes sannihita where the shabda is. In Tippani, you see 7 number and 8 number. Tatra means tasmin pradeshe marge griham va pratipadyate. He reaches the road or he reaches the house through speech when there is total darkness. Tatra cha karma kurute, then he performs the karma, then vipalyati. तत्र वाग् ज्योतिषो ग्रहणं गंधादीनाम उपलक्षणार्थम. वाग् ज्योतिषो ग्रहणम is for उपलक्षणम for गंध. किमिति गंधादयः शब्देन उपलक्ष्यन्ते. How gandhadi they are shabdena upalakshante, means shabda becomes upalakshana for gandha, sparsha, etc. In other words, they are also jyoti. Just as vak is jyoti, ghanendriya is jyoti, means gandha is jyoti, sparshendriya is jyoti, means twak is jyoti. When it is dark, let us say, and something is hot or cold, you can touch and you can know. You don't need Aditya Jyoti, Chandrama Jyoti, etc. In fact, even if Aditya Jyoti is there, something is hot or cold, you will know only if you touch it. गंधादिभिरपि हि घ्राणादिषु अनुगृहीतेषु प्रवृत्ति निवृत्त्यादयो भवन्ति. गंधादिभिः by the gandha etc. Granadishu anugrihiteshu, which are blessed by the organs like grana etc. Pravritti, nivritti, they can happen. Either you will start something or you will withdraw. प्रश्नान्तरं तेन तैरपि अनुग्रहो भवति कार्यकरणसङ्घातस्य तेन by that तैः अपि अनुग्रहो भवति so तैः तेन because of this reason गन्धादीनामपि प्रवृत्त्यादि प्रयोजकत्वेन they are also pravritti nivritti prayojaka therefore by them also there is anugraha in the form of ज्योतिष कार्यवत्वम भवति कार्यकरण संघातस्य कार्यकरण संघात कैन फंक्शन कार्यकरण संघात is blessed by these jyotis also गंधादि प्रश्नान्तरम उत्थापयति एवमेव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य एवमेव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य टीकाकार connects as प्रश्नान्तरम उत्थापयति प्रश्नान्तरम उत्थापयति means next question is coming when he says एवमेव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य like if two people are talking and somebody asks a question and that person gives some answer और वो तो ठीक है means there is more question वो तो ठीक है लेकिन एवमेव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य then तथापि स्वप्नादौ तस्य प्रवृत्ति दर्शनात् तत्कारणीभूतं ज्योतिर्वक्तव्यम् इति शेषः so this is what is coming now in swapna etc तस्य तस्य पुरुषस्य प्रवृत्ति दर्शनात् that purusha has or कार्यकरण संघात has प्रवृत्ति there which ज्योति is there so तत्कारणीभूतं ज्योतिर्वक्तव्यम् how did Janak Maharaj think that there will be a jyoti in swapna by which Karyakarana Sanghata is functioning and I want to know what is that jyoti. See how when he is sitting idle, he thinks. You know in Ashtavakra Gita also what kind of question he asked. He said, I was dreaming that I am begging in my dream. And now I want to know whether that dream is true or this waking that I am king is true. These are the questions he gets. And that is why he is the Upanishad Adhikari, Brahma Vidya Adhikari. Okay, so this is complete. अस्तमित आदित्ये याज्ञवल्क्य चंद्रमस्य अस्तमिते शांते अग्नौ शांतायां वाची किं ज्योतिरेवायं पुरुष इति आत्मैवास्य ज्योतिर्भवति इति आत्मनैवायं ज्योतिषा आस्ते पल्ययते कर्म कुरुते विपल्येति इति. When Vag Indriya is also not functioning and all the other Indriya, all other jyotis are not there, Shabda is also not there, then Kim Jyotirevayam Purusha. Atma iti Jyoti. Atma eva asya Jyotirbhavati. शांतायाम पुनर्वाची गंधादिषु अपि च शांतेषु बाह्येषु अनुग्राहकेषु सर्व प्रवृत्ति निरोधः प्राप्तो अस्य पुरुषस्य. Shantayam punarvachi. Punar means all the others are also not there, speech is also not there, like in dream. Gandhadishu apicha shanteshu. And other shabda is not there, sparsha, rupa, they all are also not there. Bahyeshu anugrahakeshu, which are bahya anugrahaka. किं ज्योतिर्वायं पुरुष. अन्वय you have to do बाह्येषु अनुग्राहकेषु शांतेषु. So बाह्येषु अनुग्राहकेषु गंधादिषु शांतेषु in this. सर्व प्रवृत्ति निरोधः प्राप्तः अस्य पुरुषस्य सर्व प्रवृत्ति निरोधः प्राप्तः. All pravritti nirodha, everything is shantana. कथम पुनरत्र पृच्छ्यते ज्योतिरंतरम इत्याशंक्य प्रष्टुरभिप्रायम आह. How come you are asking another ज्योतिरंतरम कथम पुनः पृच्छ्यते. पृच्छ्यते, what is the dhatu here?
Pracha. Nipsana.
What did you say after that?
Nipsayam.
Gipsayam. What's a Gipsayam? What rupa is this?
Karmani prayoga.
Karmani prayoga. Samprasaranam. What is the sutra?
ग्रहिज्या वै व्यधि वष्टि विचति विचति विशति पृच्छति बृद्धतीनाम इति च.
ग्रहिज्या वै व्यधि वष्टि विचति पृच्छति पृच्छति there. So pracha gipsayam will become pruchha. Iti cha. So pruchyate. And those who want the number 6116. It's 116. But this is a famous, you have to memorize this sutras. So what is the abhipraya of the prashtu? Prashtur abhiprayam aha. Etad uttam bhavati. Jagrad vishaye hi bahirmukhani karanani चक्षुरादीनि आदित्यादि ज्योतिर्भिः अनुगृह्यमाणानि यदा यदा जागृत विषय मीन्स इन जागृत अवस्था where घटादि आदि विषय बहिर्मुखानि करणानि are outgoing बहिष्प्रज्ञ एकोनविंशति मुखः everything is there. चक्षुरादीनि आदित्यादि ज्योतिः अनुगृह्यमाणानि and चक्षुरादि इंद्रियस are blessed by आदित्यादि ज्योति. Only thing is not saptanga at that time. Everything else can be there. यदा तदा स्फुटतरः संव्यवहारो अस्य. Then at that time अस्य व्यवहार is स्फुटतर, very स्पष्ट. पुरुषस्य भवति. व्याप्ति he gives यो व्यवहारः सो अतिरिक्त ज्योतिर्निमित्तो यथा आदित्यादि निमित्तो जागृत व्यवहार इति व्याप्तिम उक्ताम व्याप्तिम निगमयति. व्याप्ति which was already said earlier. यो व्यवहार सो अतिरिक्त ज्योतिर्निमित्त. यत्र यत्र व्यवहारत्वं तत्र तत्र अतिरिक्त ज्योति निमित्तत्वम. Like जागृत व्यवहार. So in swapna also if there is a व्यवहार, व्याप्ति is there. That also will have अतिरिक्त ज्योति. एवं तावत् जागृते स्वावयव संघात व्यतिरिक्तेनैव ज्योतिष कार्य सिद्धिरस्य पुरुषस्य दृष्टि. So in this way, Jagarite Swa Avayava Sanghat Vyatirikta Jyoti. Vyatirikta means Swa Avayava Karyakarana Sanghat Vyatirikta Jyoti is there. Vyatirikte Naiva Jyotisha Jyotish Karya Siddhi. Asya Purushasya Drashta, it is seen. Sometimes I am not translating every word in Bhashya or Tika. I am assuming that you all know. If you have any question, then you can ask. Otherwise, I just read sometimes. So this kind of Purushasya Karya Siddhi is seen. Vyapti Jnana Karyam Anumanam Aha. Vyapti Jnanam, what is the use of Vyapti Jnanam? If Dhuma Vanni Vyapti is known, as soon as you see Dhuma, where once you have Vyapti Jnana, what will happen?
Sadhya Siddhi.
Satya Siddhi will happen for some other Paksha, there where you have the Hetu in that Paksha. So Anumanam will happen. Tasma te vayam manyamahe. Sarva bahya jyotihi pratyastamaye api. Swapna shushupta kale jagarite cha. Adrgavasthayam swavayava sanghata vyatiriktenaiva jyotisha jyotish karya siddhir asyati. Tasmat te vayam manyamahe. Those us. In English they say those of us who. But here it is the ones which who we all are the knowers of the Vyapti Jnanam. We think in this way. Sarva Bahya Jyotihi Pratyastamaye. When all the Bahya Jyoti sets is off. Swapna Shushupta Kale means Swapna Kale. Jagarite cha. Tadrgavasthayam Swavayava Sanghata Vyatiriktenaiva Jyotisha Jyotish Karya Siddhir Asyati. In that avastha, Swavayava Sanghata Vyatiriktena, that Jyoti has to be different from this Sanghata. Why? Because like in Aditya, Chandrama, Agni, that is the case. So here also it has to be the case. That is why he did not take what? Can you guess?
Yes, Swamiji.
What? That is why he did not take Vak as Indriya. He took Vak as Shabda. If he had taken Vak as Indriya, then it is not Swa Avayava Sanghata Vyatirikta. Similarly, he took Gandha, not Grahana. If you take Grahanendriya, it is not Swa Avayava Sanghata Vyatirikta. So we want to prove that it is Swa Avayava Sanghata Vyatirikta Jyoti. So from beginning itself, even though mantra said Vak, Acharya translated it as Shabda. then we can have this Hanumana. This is how I am thinking. If you have to do thinking, and if there is any other reasoning, you can always come back. So, Vyatiriktena Jyotisha, Jyotish Karya Siddhi, Karya Asya Siddhi, Asya Purushasya iti. तादृग अवस्थायां सर्व ज्योति ही प्रत्यस्तमय दशायाम इति. तादृग अवस्था means when सर्व ज्योति pratyastha, they are all suspended or shut off. Iti yav. Vimato vyavaharo atirikta jyotiradino vyavaharatvat sampratipannavat. Vimataha. Vimataha is which vyavahara? Without seeing it in Tippani also, you should be able to answer. Because Jagrat is already known. We have Vyapti of Jagrat. And we are actually going to prove about Swapna. But here he is using Swapna, Saushupta, Samadhika. In Samadhi also. In Samadhi, Chitta Vrittis will be there. So if Chitta Vrittis are there, then that Vyavahara is possible because of Vyatirikta Jyoti, Chaitanya. And in Sushupti also, Sukham Aham Asvapsam, he will tell. So, Swapnadi Vyavaharo, Atirikta Jyotiradinaha, this is the Satya. Vyavaharatvat, this is the Hetu. Sampratipannavat. Sampratipanna means
Purvapakshi and Siddhanti both are agreeing with the Drishtanta.
Ubhaya Paksha Sammata. 4 number Tippani, one correction is there. Jagrad, not the Jagrad Vyavahara. Sampratipannavat iti adhastadeva anumanam aveditam iti bhava. Adhastad means earlier. Earlier itself that anumanam aveditam. Aveditam means kathitam. Hetoho ashraya siddhim ashankya pariharati. What is ashraya siddhi?
Pakshe hetu abhava.
And what is swarupa siddhi?
Sathya Apava.
Sadhya.
Sathya Apava.
Sadhya bhavi swarupa siddhi.
Pakshe Hetva Bhava is Swarupa Siddhi.
So what is ashraya siddhi?
Pakshe itself is a Siddha.
How many of you have actually completed Tarka Sangraha? Raise your hand. Okay. So you have to revise these things regularly. Ashraya Siddhi is Paksha itself is Asiddha. ये तो हो आश्रय सिद्धि आशंका है. Somebody says, so the you are trying to say hetu. What is the hetu in this anumanam?
Vyavaharatvam.
Vyavahara. There is no vyavahara outside of Jagat. So, what will be the paksha? Jagrat is in Drishtanta, that is Sapaksha. And other than that, there is no other place where there is Vyavahara. Somebody may say. So, Pariharati. Drishyate cha swapne jyotish karya siddhir. Bandhu sangha manaviyoga darshanam deshantar gamanadi cha. In swapna, there is some karya. And it is based on Jyoti, Jyotish Karya Siddhi. How? Bandhu Sangha, association with friends. Manaviyoga, or you can read it this way. Bandhu Sangamana Yoga Darshanam. Bandhu Sangamanam means meeting. Then there Viyoga also. And Deshantar Gamanam, going to another place in dream. All this is same. Adi Shabdena Deshantaradau Karma Karanam. And then you do some work there also. Ashraya Ekadesha Asiddhim Ashankya Aha. Somebody says, okay. Swapna is there. Sushupti, what is the Karya? So Ashraya Ekadesha Asiddhi. Not Ashraya Siddhi completely, but Ekadesha. Sushupta cha Utthanam Sukham Aham Asvapsam Na Kinchid Avedisham iti. From Sushupti also, when there is Utthanam, tika Tippani, Sushupti Kalinaha Utthana Prakshanavachinna Utthana Anukula Prayatnakya Vyapara ityartha. Sushupti Kalinaha Utthana Prakshanavachinna Utthana Anukula Prayatnakya Vyapara. Utthana Anukula Prayatna. Also conducive Prayatna is there. Utthana Prakshanam just the 1 second before, at that time when you are about to get up. So that Vyapara is also there, which will trigger the waking up in the next moment. And Sukham, this is Smaranam is there of Sushupti. Nakinchid Avedisham. Avedisham, what is the Rupam?
Lung.
Which one?
Lunglakara Uttama Purusha Ekavach Avedisham.
Some question is there? Yes. अवेदिशम लुंग लकार उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन कर्तरी प्रयोग विद धातु विद ज्ञाने टीका ध्यान दशायाम इष्ट देवता दर्शनम चकारार्थ इन समाधि अवस्था also some devata darshanam is there or brahmakar vrittigar there in their vikalpa samadhi. Somebody asked a question whether in nirvikalpa samadhi vrittis are there or not. So they are there. अनुमान फलम निगमयति तस्मात् अस्ति व्यतिरिक्तम किमपि ज्योति therefore there is व्यतिरिक्त ज्योति यथोक्त अनुमानात् ज्योतिः सिद्धम चेत् किम प्रश्नेन इत्याशंका by this anumanam is jyoti siddha then why Janak Maharaj is asking question kim punastat chantayam vachi jyotir bhavati iti. Then why this question when vak becomes shanta then in jyotirayam purusha iti. सर्व ज्योतिर उपशमे दृश्यमानस्य व्यवहारस्य कारणतया अनुमानतो ज्योतिर्मात्र सिद्धावपि तद विशेष बुभुत्सायां प्रश्नोपपत्तिः. When all jyoti upasama takes place, दृश्यमानस्य व्यवहारस्य कारणतया अनुमानतो ज्योतिर्मात्र सिद्धावपि. अनुमानतः ज्योतिर्मात्र सिद्धि there सिद्धवपि. But what is that? That vishesha bubhutsa is there. Anumana will do samanya siddhi. Parvato vanniman dhruman. One is there. What is the kind of that fire, how it is there, etc. Anumanam pramanam will not do. So Jyoti Matra Siddhi is there. What is that Jyoti? What is its Swarupa? About that there is Bubhutsa. Therefore, Prashna is Upapanna. Prativachanam avatarya vyakaroti uchyate. So now the answer is given. आत्मैव अस्य ज्योतिर्भवति. अस्य पुरुषस्य आत्मा इति ज्योति. अवभासकत्वे दृष्टान्तम् आह. आत्मेति कार्यकरण स्व अवयव संघात व्यतिरिक्तम कार्यकरण अवभासकम आदित्यादि बाह्य ज्योतिर्वत् स्वयं अन्येन अनवभास्यमानम् अभिधीयते ज्योतिरन्तस्थं च तत्पारिशेष्यात्. आत्मा इति कार्यकरण स्वावयव संघात व्यतिरिक्तम. आत्मा is what? कार्यकरण अवयव संघात व्यतिरिक्त. Karyakarana avabhasakam, that which is illumining Karyakarana. So these are different points. One is Sanghata Vyatiriktam. Second, Sanghata avabhasakam. Adityadi Bahya Jyotir. What? Like the Bahya Jyotir. Swayam Anyena Anavabhasyamanam Abhidiyate. Swayam Anyena Anavabhasyamanam. So when they say Jyoti, Jyoti means something which is not actually illumined by something else. Then only it is Jyoti. Means it has to be Swayam Jyoti. Swayam Anyan Anavabhasama. Even though moonlight is not Anyan Anavabhasamana, but we enjoy moonlight. We don't say it is sun's reflected light like that. Abhidiyate Jyotihi. Then he adds one more thing. Antastha cha parishasya. Antasthatvam. It is also inner. It is not outside Jyoti. It is different from Sanghata. It illumines Sanghata. It is independent and it is within. It is not external. Tika. So 4 points this you have to note. Means when I do my own Nididhyasanam, these are the points I have to use. I am Jyoti, which is different from Karyakarana Sanghata. Means what kind of Chaitanya I am? Different from Sthula Sukshma Karana Sharira Prapancha, 1. Illuminator of the Prapancha or Sharira Traya, 2. Third, self-luminous. 4, inner one, innermost, Antastha. So Tatra, 12 number Tippani, व्यतिरिक्तत्व अंतस्थत्वयोर मध्ये इत्यर्थ. Vyatirikttatva and antasthatva. 2 points are there. Of which of these two, first he takes up Vyatirikttatvam. Vyatirikttatvam sadhayati. Karyeti. Karyakaran Vyatiriktam tat iti tavat siddham. That is Karyakarana Vyatiriktam. Anugrahakatvad adityadivat iti shosha. So this Karyakarana Vyatiriktam tat Anugrahakatvad, this is hetu, adityadivat, this is drishtanta. That also you have to add. Tacha antasthatvam parisheshyat iti uktam utpadayati. And antasthatvam is parisheshyat. Parisheshyat, how did you conclude it is inside? So he says, yacha karyakarana vyatiriktam karyakarana sanghata anugrahakam cha jyotihi tad bahyaihi chakshuradikaranair upalabhyamanam drishtam. न तो तथा तच्चक्षुरादिभिः उपलभ्यते आदित्यादि ज्योतिषु उपरतेषु. That which is कार्यकरण व्यतिरिक्त and कार्यकरण संघात अनुग्राहक, that ज्योति तद बाह्यैः चक्षुरादिकरणैः उपलभ्यमानम is available through चक्षुरादिकरण etc. उपलभ्यमानम दृष्टम. तु तथा तच्चक्षुरादिभिर उपलभ्यते. Adityadi Jyoti, when they are uparata and you don't see any external light, therefore you are doing anumanam, it has to be antastham. And in swapna also there is no bahya Jyoti. If someone says no, there is bahya Jyoti, it is swapna surya. Swapna surya is there, swapna vyavahar happens. The swapna surya is Bhranti. Swapna Vyavahar is also Bhranti. Yes. But in all of them, even if Swapna Surya is not there, let us say, means in Swapna there is darkness. Then how does Vyavahara? Because you are aware of the whole dream. So that Jyoti is there. Uparateshu Atma Jyoti iti shosha. When everything is Uparata, then the Jyoti is Atma Jyoti. Up to here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badaraya Sutrabhashyakatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagini Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.